up and away.
I don't even remember what appointment Zach had today. Did he even?
No.
He has an appointment to go fuck yourself Paul, I think.
Oh, yeah.
They're not on speaking terms.
He said you were yelling at him playing Call of Duty too, so he's just not been happy with it.
Yelling to what? Call of Duty.
He looked at the footage and said, I'm such a loser.
Well, the drone was up, so I watched it all from an aerial. And I was like, I walk out, try to find a PV, don't find it. I look stupid.
Did you see my butt cheeks?
Which one you want to start on? You want to?
Did you see my butt cheeks?
No, I didn't. You weren't there.
I did. Video.
Yeah.
Oh.
My butt cheeks are all over that footage.
Shit, I gotta check it out.
We'll start with the one over here on the house side first.
Yeah.
Vulcan Marine, he's used to seeing other dudes' butt cheeks everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Harry Hole clan.
Dude,
Yep.
You already know.
Alright, cable down from there.
Yeah.
That's how you establish dominance.
Yeah, dude.
Whoever has the hairiest ass crack.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Let's have a hole off.
A hole off. We're good for 8 grand.
For 1 grand, 8 grand.
8 grand. 8 grand.
We're good for 8,000.
8,000.
Keep cabling down.
Yep.
Oh, 3, 2, 1, and you are good, sir.
Yes, sir. Mi scusi.
Alright, cable up.
Cabling up.
Three, 2, 1. Good. That should work for now.
That's about 700 right now. I'm good when you are, bud.
Did 14 on it?
Yes, sir.
I think it's gonna weigh like 332, 35.
All right. Yeah.
Just take it on the boom if you
Yeah,
can.
I got it.
So you.
Yeah.
Okay. What is that? Cambo flight.
Nice cut, bud.
Perfect. You can crank this thing up too as you can hit the road if you want it. Gotta engage the clutch wrap. Alright. I think we're gonna want the clutch for this one. Yeah, no easing it out. That one thing I was telling, like, I tried to say just a little bit.
That was 3 grand.
3,200.
Get the tension when
Nice, let's go.
we winch it in, they start to
Or
push down,
30,
it's not
31.
to that winch tighter, you know.
32 to 35 is what I said.
Yeah.
Hey, perfect spot for that swing. That's gonna easy landing. did a good job that time, Cam.
Thanks, man.
I think he'll just go lay it down. If he's any good, yeah.
We just boom it down a little
Why
bit.
is the quarter in our chat?
He doesn't have a scene on his head.
Yeah, he does.
No, he doesn't.
Where are his mops?
The same time he gave him Zach one time and he didn't use them.
No, he has them.
Oh, yep,
I just hooked him up this morning with the fucking brand new set.
I'll get him the hot box.
What the fuck's wrong with him?
A lot of things.
I'm just gonna move it over to this side of the crane, but
Fine.
Everyone's just mad at Paul, I guess.
No one wants to get Paul. I like Paul. I'll hang out.
thanks,
You
bud.
want to get the stocking stubbed off?
No. Just
No?
1 sec. I think we'll be alright. Those are so dead, they break.
Yeah. Turns one branch into 3 branches. We'll get it.
Oh, then you can.
Big stuff coming. Just got a little shit wrap.
I'm gonna help him out.